The Well-Known Wicks, Gan Ali. The Well-Known Wicks, by Ali.
Mum!
Oh, good heavens, what's going on, dear?
Oh, cielos! Craig Wick, what on earth is going on?
I'm hungry. Very hungry.
Breakfast is served at 7. It's 5:09.
Well, it is the weekend after all. I'll make breakfast while you have a rest.
Well, Craig, Dad will make breakfast while you get some air.
See, but wait.
What's happened now?
What will I do?
Are you a donut?
Nah, mate. I'm a panda, like you and Mum.
Okay, you know what? Let's tell some jokes. Dad jokes. At least this'll give me time to make breakfast.
Oh, not this again.
Me first. What did the ocean say to the sea?
I don't know. What?
I see you.
Nothing. They just waved.
Very funny.
Good one. So,
Did you see what I did there?
Huh? Don't get it. Oh!
okay, is breakfast...
I'm sure you get me.
What? What do you mean? Oh, you're funny, you know.
Well, since you're a dad, why don't you do a dad joke? Get it?
Why shouldn't you trust trees?
Because they always leave.
Oh, because they got no roots out. I tried.
Nah, because they seem shady.
Oh, save best to last. Yep, that's me. Oh, what should you do with a sick boat?
It will be fine, I'm sure.
I don't know. What?
Take it to the dock.
Hey, not better than mine, but... Anyway, breakfast is ready.
So, what's for breakfast?
It's your favourite pancakes with syrup and your favourite fruit, blueberry.
Yummy. I never knew you could cook.
Can you all stop waffling and sharing your opinions? Because I'm hungry. And I'm going to be honest with you, nobody will care about your opinions. So let me eat.
Oh, I beg your pardon.
How many times, Midas? I say knock, not barge. It's not like you're running away from the snakes.
Well, foxes never knock. Anyway, a logger spotted next to the birch cat tree.
Cielos. Craig, pack up right now. Leave breakfast. I mean, eat it, but fast. Then pack up.
My dad has tried to stop them. He's captured. He's gone forever.
Right, remember, we are the Wicks family and we never give up. Oh. Let's go. Quickly.
Oh, no.
There's no time to express yourself. Hurry.
But we haven't warned the others. I'm going to warn them. I'm going.
Come on, let's follow her through the secret Bucky exit. What?
Oh, wow. I'm dizzy.
I really hope Mum's okay.
Hey, I assure you, Mum will come back.
As a panda, I will sacrifice.
What was that? Come on, keep moving. Let's head to the abandoned shed.
Oh no! Auntie Emma's been captured!
Mum! How would you know?
It's my hearing and my foxy gut.
That's right. And the sound of chainsaws is getting louder.
Oh, wait! I've got a plan.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Well, go for it, Midas. Start throwing.
Take that! And that! Come on, over here!
What's that now? There's a fox there. Hold on now.
Catch me if you can! Losers!
Hold on now. Look up there.
Now's our chance. Let's go.
There's Mum. Quickly untangle her.
Okay.
Oh, good heavens, they got the rest of us. They took Grandma and more. They got put in the van.
Hey, good job, Midas.
Oh, I lost them round the back of Parrot Falls. Now let's head to the secret hideout.
The Well-Known Wicks, Gan Ali, Cyfarwydd, Lee Lyford, Actorion, Owen Allen, Noni Lewis, Sean Pritchard, Dylunydd Sain, Ian Barnard. The Well-Known Wicks, written by Ali, directed by Lee Lyford, performed by Owen Allen, Sean Pritchard, Noni Lewis, sound design by Ian Barnard.